Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to our video. We got some breaking cruise news for you guys today. The Carnival Freedom, while in Grand Turks this morning, did catch fire. Now, they had a pretty big fire coming out of the funnel of the ship, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting some pictures up here of the fire. Now, first and foremost, all guests and all crew members are perfectly fine. Everybody is safe. No reported injuries. They were in Grand Turks. They got cleared by authorities, and they were able to disembark the passengers and let them go ashore. Now, the fire has been put out, and Carnival is currently assessing the situation. So at this point in time, we don't yet have any further information as to the condition of the ship. Is the ship going to cancel? Is it going to head back to port early? At this point in time, we just don't know. Now, I'm also going to put up a picture here of the damage. You can see where the funnel has been pretty extensively damaged. So, I would expect to see at least a couple of upcoming cruises aboard the Carnival Freedom being canceled due to this fire and due to this damage. So, if you have any upcoming Carnival Freedom cruises, definitely start keeping an eye on your email and expect to see some cancellations or some changes coming up to that here pretty quickly. Because from the look of these pictures, this is not going to be just a quick fix in Grand Turk. This ship is definitely going to have to go somewhere and get some repair work done. Like I said, the most important thing is we don't have any injuries. Everybody is safe. And at this point, we are just waiting to hear from Carnival as to what they're going to do with the cruise passengers. I mean, are they going to be able to reboard the ship? And is the ship going to be able to take them back to port? This time we don't know. As soon as we know something else, we will, of course, let you know. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.